Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using this sign from Dollar Tree, scrapbook paper, and globe from Hobby Lobby. I started with Tuscan chalk paint by Folkart, painting just the middle board with 2 coats. And then I took Plaster chalk paint. You can just use regular acrylic paint, that's fine. I added some water to it to thin it out. Took a toothbrush, put some of the paint on it, and then hit the toothbrush with a paintbrush to splatter the paint on the red paint. And then I took the same red paint, the Tuscan red, painted this J and a Y. They're 4 inches. Those I got from Amazon. Any craft store should have them as well. And then I took the Plaster chalk paint and a fan brush and just brushed on all around the edges of each letter. And then I took the scrapbook paper and traced out both of the end pieces and cut those out. Applied a generous layer of Mod Podge to each of those and placed down the scrapbook paper, just smoothing it out with my hands. I used my heating tool to dry that completely, and then covered both pieces of scrapbook paper with Mod Podge, and again used my heating tool to dry them. And you can leave this hanging and make it a hanging sign. Just make a couple of modifications. I wanted it to sit on a shelf, so I cut the additional hanger part off so that wasn't sticking out. And then hot glued the J and the Y to the pieces with scrapbook paper. And then I took a piece of the snow globe that I got from Hobby Lobby, cut the little hanger off just with some scissors. Added in some tumbling blocks, just made sure that they were going to fit and where I needed to glue them. Glued them down with hot glue. And then I'm taking this, it's a glitter drape I got from Dollar Tree, and I just cut a section of it off. Just kind of fold it until it fits over the tumbling blocks and hot glue it into place right on the tumbling blocks, leaving the rest of it loose. And then take these little figurines and trees. The figures I got from Dollar Tree, and the trees I believe I got from Hobby Lobby. Just glued them down right on top of where the tumbling blocks are. And then just kind of tuck the rest of the drape so it fits in the globe, and then lightly put some hot glue on the globe's rim and place that down. And I wasn't accounting for how front heavy the middle piece would be, so I have to adjust my tumbling blocks. I did glue them just 1 on each on the back, but it kept just tipping forward. So I took that one off and put 2 on the back a little further up so you can tip it. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.